Okay, so this is a Falcon single fryer. I've got it on at the moment. It's all switched on. I'm just going to set. I'll go off in a second. Let me just show you quickly this. This is my straining system. It's just a simple stainless steel bucket with a lid specially cut to fit riveted straining stainless steel mesh. I'll show you that in a minute. I've got the fryer on. It's running off, as you can see, domestic supply at the moment. A single phase domestic supply. All I've got is I've got it running off a single feed of 32 amp breaker. That's going to be the minimum because this is 3,000 watt elements, so 6,000 watts system. So single 32 feed of domestic supply in a cafe or a business. Obviously you're going to have better than that. Come back to this in a minute. As you can see, it's all working. Everything's working. It's fully functional, fully cleaned, fully serviced, everything ready to go. I'm going to switch it off now and just show you the strainer system. I'm not going to do much more. So pretty obvious it's all working. So the dials and the gauges, a bit hard to guess, but your chef will work it pretty easy. I tend to set it at dead top center, and that takes up to about 150 to 160 degrees. Could tweak it a little bit further if you want to, whatever. That's just a mechanical timer, so that'll go off in a second. So just switching it off a moment. So now there's no more heat. Nothing's working. In here, sorry, the system you've got in here, you've got a specialist draining bucket that's designed with handles, so you can work with this with hot. Obviously there's dangers working with hot, but this is the what's in it. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you how I do it. Inside here there's simple valve tap, and obviously it's all switched off, so those elements are now isolated, so I can drop the oil. At the end of the day, you just simply drop the oil, and you can see the steam coming off. So it's lovely and hot. The elements I think off, so that's all safe. So at the end of the day, when your chef's dropping the oil, clean the oil every day. You can literally drop the oil, clean the inside of the tub. I'll show you my system of straining. You can use your own system, you can do whatever you want, but I've made this myself, so I'm going to show you how I do it. Simple as that. Okay, come back down by here then. Okay, I'm going to stop in a minute because I don't want to wait anymore for this video. So what you've got, okay, this is obviously, you're working with hot oil here, so obviously you're going to have to come up with your own risk assessment, etc. But I don't see much of a risk. I'm just going to show you this one more time. Empty stainless steel bucket, all able to cope with obviously the heat if you're working with it nice and hot. This is aluminium, and this is stainless steel riveted mesh. So the oil can simply just be, obviously this is fairly clean oil, yours is going to be a lot dirtier in use. And that's just the timer going off in the background. As I say, just a mechanical thing. So you strain your oil. If yours is full of batter, chips, chicken nugget bits and bobs and what have you, this strainer then will take everything out of that, leaving you with lovely clean. That could be wiped out. And then what you've got, completely strained oil, ready for another day's use. That'll extend your oil life massively. Just straining air every day, so easy, not dangerous, nice and easy.